I got this adorable dresser on Facebook Marketplace for free. It's an IKEA all wood dresser. I don't usually refinish IKEA, but this one is all wood, so I make an exception. It had these unusual knobs. They were like tiny little stumps. But dresser was in great shape otherwise. So I went in and first removed all the hardware. I didn't have a plan yet at this point. They're kind of cute. They're going to go, but they were kind of cute. And hey, I already got paid and I haven't even started yet. So time to start sanding. And again, I don't have a plan, so I'm not quite sure what I'm doing. I decided to just start scuff sanding, which turned into all the way down to bare wood. And pretty soon, I'm just going to strip the whole thing. So I do carbide scraper for the top layer, but that wasn't being super effective, so I just went in with a real heavy grit. I think this is a 60 grit. And just went to work, strip and paint. It actually has a nice wood grain underneath, so I thought this is cute. I'll get everything off of there, so I'm taking the legs off. The thing with IKEA is everything is so easy to take apart and put back together. Got those stripped as well. Whoever painted this, it was like a chalk paint, so it came off pretty well, but made a disaster in my garage. Here it is, all stripped, ready for something new. I decided to do a paint wash with Algonquin. I did a 5-to-1 ratio, so 5 parts water, 1 part paint. And I'm just putting it on here with a poly brush. I'm not going to wipe it back because I want it to have a really good tan base, but it is going to soak in. So just getting everything washed with this thin layer of paint. Once that dries, I thinned out a stain. This is called Whole Wheat by Salmon Stains, and just a little bit of stain and quite a lot of water. It's probably like a 10-to-1. So I thinned it out. I want the grain still to show through. I applied that over everything. Again, I did it real thin so I didn't have to wipe anything back. It just makes things so much easier. So this is it dried. And then I also went in with stain in my top coat. So I just wanted to tint it a little bit so it would even things out. And here's the finished look. I used some gold vintage knobs and got it all put together. Cute little IKEA dresser now.